Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the problem and protecting yourself and the device. Test the spacebar in a simple text editor to rule out software. Once confirmed, power off and unplug the keyboard or remove batteries to prevent damage. Prepare a small flat tool or keycap puller, a thin card, and a Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol. These are minimal tools that let you access the key mechanism safely. Proceed now to gently remove the spacebar keycap and keep any stabilizer parts visible. Once the cap is off, examine the stabilizer mechanism. Scissor clips, metal wire, or additional support pieces. You want to identify a broken clip, misaligned wire, or lodged debris because that dictates the fix. If the wire popped out, note its orientation and gently recede it into the notches. If clips are loose, you can often snap them back with steady pressure. Clean the slider rails and switch surface with an alcohol-dampened Q-tip to remove grime so the key moves freely afterward. When reassembling, align the stabilizer first, then press the keycap down evenly until you hear or feel the clips click into place. This ensures the load spreads and the spacebar registers reliably. Test several presses at different speeds and positions. If it feels mushy or intermittently unresponsive, reopen and recheck alignment and cleanliness. If a clip or rail is cracked, replace that stabilizer part or the whole spacebar assembly. Order the exact part for your model so the mechanism functions like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.